Hey everyone, it's Tom from WPWithTom.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Namecheap's business card maker to create your own business cards. I'm going to have a link down in the description, but it's namecheap.com/business-cards, and it's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I'm just showing you this to be able to create your own cards. So if we go to that link, we can just click Create Your Cards to get started here. And right here you're going to have to fill out some details to create your card. So I'm just going to put in some information here. And this is just going to be an example for me. And once we finish putting in that information, I'm just going to hit continue. And then it will give us an option to add our contact info. So we should give people a few ways to reach out to us, it says. So you can add things like your email address. I'm just going to put YouTube here for me. And once you add them, you actually put in your email address. So I'm just going to put in my dummy email right here. And I'll put in YouTube right here. And that sets that up, and I'll hit continue. You can add more if you want, though. You can add a phone number, it might be good to have, or an address if it is a business that you want people to come to, a physical business. And I'll hit continue. And once we get to this page, it says your logo. So it says, does your business have a logo? So it gives you a few options. You can actually import it from Logo Maker. You can create a new logo, continue with no logo, or upload a logo. I could upload my own, but I'm actually going to go to create a new logo right here. And I'm just going to put in some information. It will give me different options to choose from fonts. So this is actually going to be a lot of different options. I'm just going to choose 6 different ones here that I like. And I like it more bold, so I'm going to just go with the more bold ones and just run through this real quick. And there we are. Now it gives us a chance to pick our color. So I'm going to go with this blue here. And I'll just write make great websites and hit continue. Now it gives us options for icons that we can choose. So let's just say I wanted to choose a computer. I could do that, and I can choose one like this. Now I'm going to have to continue with one, or I can choose other ones. So I can add another one here. I'll just go with website, and I can choose from these. I'll just choose this one right here, and I'll continue with 2. I'm going to just do 2 instead of 3. And now we have different options showing up on this page. Once I hit go back, I accidentally hit it there. So we can see that there's different options for what our logo or our business card can actually look like. You can choose one from here if you'd like. I'm actually going to click on this one. I kind of like it. And here we have different options for the layout of where our logo will actually be on the business card. Now much of this depends, see right here, on what you've written as far as your ways to contact. So this goes over the logo here. This one I feel like is too big off to the side. I kind of might just go something like this right here. So I'm going to add this one in. And we have a logo on our card, and you can see that this is the back of the business card right here. It says WP with Tom, make great websites right underneath it with a computer right next to it. And the front would look like this. So I think that's a great way that you can make business cards very quickly, especially if you don't even have a logo already, and make something that you can be proud of, and you can tweak it as needed and go through here and actually upload your own logo if you want to. So once you're happy, you would just purchase the business cards if you want to with them, and they start at $18.88 and they go up from there with pricing. So another option, if you don't want to create one through here, is you can actually go over to Fiverr. I'm going to have a link in the description below to Fiverr. If you want to have someone create the business cards for you, you have to tell them what you're looking for, and you might get back what you want. If not, you usually can get revisions done on your cards to get the desired look that you want. And I just wanted to throw it out there as a secondary option that some people might not know about if they need to have business cards created. So I hope that you found this video to be helpful if you're looking to create business cards or find a business card maker that's actually pretty easy to use for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more WordPress related content, and I hope to see you in future videos. Thanks for watching.